Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching the video. My name is Ryan Hustleby. I also have a second YouTube channel, but if you guys like this channel, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to give you guys some quality knowledge here. In today's video, we're going to talk about the eBooks. Right now, you can see these are the best-selling Kindle books of 2019. And many of these books are well-known books. Educated, the Michelle Obama, of course. And if you was an author to any one of these books, well, you'd be living very happy right now in funds. You make a whole lot of money. But see, rather than going through certain niches, we're going to look for some of the niches that people really do buy. And it's not in the fiction, nonfiction. We're going to look at something like the cookbooks, recipe books, diet plans, workout plans. Those books sell extremely well. Let's hop on over to Amazon and we can look at some of the books. And we're just going to scroll that one. Here's another Little Woman, 3,000 copies sold. Body Keeps, 3,400 copies sold. This one, How to Win Friends and Influence People. 15,000 sold at least at $12.99 a piece. Someone asked me this before. It's like, can you make money selling ebooks? Absolutely. You can make a fortune selling ebooks forever. All right? Forever. There is no affiliate marketing niche, nothing out there on the net today that pays you forever. This means when you make your book, for generations to come, your book will be active. It is now a published book. See, think about affiliate marketing. Some niches come and some niches go. Some niches come, you have to constantly keep changing your niches. You have to head over to ClickBank and JVZoo, and you have to keep on finding different niches. You try to keep up with the times. One thing that will never go out of style, ever, is books. Mankind has been reading books since the beginning of mankind's kind. All right, here's an obesity book. We see 4,000 sold, all right, and at $10 a piece, roughly. So we're looking at estimated guess about $40,000 this author has made just selling this book. Here's another book, 10,000 sold at $13. Here's another one. 400 sold on this one, still fairly new. This one holds 16,000 sold at about almost $10 a piece. So what I'm trying to let you guys know is that yes, writing ebooks can make you money. Not only of your book itself, you can do many things like affiliate marketing, adding product links into your book. You can give your book away for free and use your ClickBank products and JV's products and place those links inside your book. You can place Amazon links inside your book. You can make digital books with sound. You can make digital books with video. There is so many things you guys can do. You can also collect emails with your book. The old way of kind of collecting emails is starting to die. You can sign up for an affiliate network and you can spend days creating sales funnel pages and then paying programs like ClickFunnels, paying them money monthly to make those sales funnels, or you can create a product with a system built already in it. See, this is like an example. Download our #1 best-selling book. Someone comes to your website and they want to download your book for free. When they download your book, they can add their email, and now you just capture their email. And in turn, you have gave them something of value. This is kind of the new ways a lot of people are going now, is creating ebooks and embedding your ebooks with your affiliate links. Remember the old days? You got mail. You've got mail. Congratulations, you won. Remember all those ads? Those ads don't work anymore because people become blinded to those type of ads now. They just don't work. Same thing with a lot of email marketing today. Whether you want to believe it or not, the niche is slowly dying off. And today I'm going to teach you guys a program and show you how to do this extremely fast, how to make yourself ebooks, and how to possibly get your books on the bestseller rankings. Ebooks is the new way, actually an old way, of affiliate marketing, and it never goes away. Imagine this. You make a website, and your website has all your email marketing tools. You're paying monthly for that marketing. Monthly. All right. There are a lot of programs out there today, a lot of websites that offer this to help you with your affiliate marketing, wherever it may be. But most of them charge a monthly fee, monthly subscription. Most of them, or if not all of them. You can use free programs, but they suck. All right. You're paying a monthly fee to build your ClickFunnels, to build your email list, build your mass mailers, your Aweber accounts, all these accounts. And you're just kicking out money in hopes that people sign up. It's a whole lot easier to make a ebook, which is free, by the way. You can publish your book for free and embed that book with so many affiliate links. It really doesn't matter because it's your book. You own the rights to your book. And then publish that on sites like Amazon and Kindle Direct Publishing and make thousands of dollars with your affiliate links embedded into your book. You just have to pick niches that people are willing to read. One of the most famous niches is the health, wealth, and relationships. Health books, wealth books, relationships. These books usually always sell. They really do. Health, wealth, and relationships. And here's a program, ladies and gentlemen, that can teach you how to make books super fast. All right? Matter of fact, did I say teach? No, actually create your books. In about 5 minutes. So let's go back and let's look at the books. To make a book or ebook, first thing you're going to have to pick a topic. And this is like one of the fastest methods. It will take you 30 days. You pick a topic. That will take you about 2 days. You find a nice topic to write about in the niche of health, wealth, relationships, of course. And then you move on to create an outline. So you're actually creating a skeletal of your book. You're basically going to lay out the whole details of your book of how you're going to make it. From the table of contents, from each chapter, to everything about your book. Then you're going to start your writing. All of this will be writing. And I'm telling you now, it's going to take you more than about 3 weeks to write a book. It is. You're going to go through the editing. You're going to go through so much. Next, they will say 3 days of editing. All right. Your editing is not proficient. Your editing may not be as good as someone else editing. So a lot of people hire editors. No matter how good you think you did your editing, with your grammar, to your style, to your writing, it's always different when someone else reads it. When someone else proofreads and reads your stuff, they're going to do maybe some edits. So you would hire an editor. Next time it comes to the proofreading and make final changes, you can publish a book. Is this really possible? Absolutely. Yes, you can do this, but it takes time. And I guarantee it's going to take you a lot longer than 3 weeks unless you really know what you're talking about and you don't run into writer's block, which you probably will. Here go some more ideas. Getting ideas about your blog, about your writing, how to brainstorm. If you're stuck on something, all right, it takes a lot of work. I have written over 150 books. Trust me, I'm trying to tell you, it's going to take you a long time. You got to go through the covers. You got to go through it's just so much. The formatting, everything. It's a pain. It really is. In 2020, they have artificial intelligence to do this for you now. The old days of finding publishers and finding copywriters, finding editors, finding a lot of publishers and illustrators is over. It's dead. There is software that does it. And right now, the only software on the net that does it is Scribble. Right now, this software is $29. That's it, guys. $29. You can literally create ebooks on demand, choose 50 templates if lets you upgrade, 300 styles, unlimited pages. You have resale rights, meaning you can generate a book and you now own your book. You can sell it, resell it, upload it over here to Amazon. You can do so much. Commercial license, auto content writer. So no more brainstorming a lot of this stuff. This system will automatically create content for you, and it does so much. There are many programs on the net right now that does this, but they charge you monthly fees. One of them is Designer. It charges you a monthly fee. You can create ebook covers using sites like Canva, but it's kind of limited because everyone else is using these free methods. This will cost you $29 and you can literally create unlimited books. This is the world's #1 ebook creator. No installation required. Available on everything from Android to Windows, Apple, everything, guys. Let's scroll down. This is incredible. Easy to use, stunning designs, 60-second ebook creation. Now, I'm going to do some more videos, not just ebooks. You're probably thinking, I don't want to write ebooks. Well, there is so many things you can use this for. You can write articles. You can do freelancing work. There is so many things you guys can do using this program, and it's only 29 bucks. It's crazy. Agency website. You can literally start a business using this software. Commercial license. You keep and sell your designs, and you get 100% of the profits. Skip writing with automated content engine. You skip it. No more writing. Nope. No more thinking about stuff. It can actually generate these books. And I'm telling you, the books you want to look for is the Health, Wealth, and Relationship by books, cookbooks, recipe books, children's books. Those books sell extremely well and super easy to write. Amazing Scribble demo. You guys can sit here and watch the demo. The guy shows you just how to create content super fast. I'll put a link in the description below. If you watch the video, it's going to show you how this guy is creating books. Later on, I'm going to make content. I'm going to show you guys my ebook library of all the ebooks I'm making. I'm telling you now, I have made thousands of dollars. All right, this is no lie. This is not clickbait. This is 100% real. I've made thousands of dollars. There was a guy in the article, and you guys can search for this on Google, who made $150,000 a year selling ebooks that he does not write. If you head on over to the Ryan Hustle B channel, I actually did a video on this article, and you guys can read how this guy makes $150,000, probably $200,000 a year, writing ebooks that he does not write. Know what he does? He uses stuff like this. He hires outside freelancers, and he uses programs like this to create his content. If you scroll down, you can see more. Just click, design, publish your own ebooks in minutes. Right now, this is the #1 ebook creator in the world right now. There is no other software on the net that does this. Now, I don't want to sound like a salesperson, and I do get a commission from teaching you guys about this, but honestly, I kind of don't want to tell you. I want to sit here and make 1,000 ebooks. All right. Can you imagine if you wrote 1,000 ebooks and sold each one of them books, let's say $10. And out of those 1,000 books, you sold maybe one copy a month. The book sucked. You sold one copy of your ebook a month. You made $10 a month for that ebook. Now imagine if you did that 1,000 times. You're making $10,000 a month automatically. This is the coupon code right here. It's new 2020. Do me a favor, guys. Click the link below and watch the video. He's going to walk you through the whole process. This guy creates the books from the company Scribble. It's the only company on the internet that does this. No other ebook program does this right now. And this thing is blowing up big time. And if you don't get on it right now, the market is going to be flooded with so many books that it's going to be hard for you to get in. So get in right now, make these ebooks, sell them, and make yourself a lifetime earnings. Peace.